RTP, retract plane absolute, enter 10 millimeters. RFP, reference plane absolute, enter 0. SDIS, safety distance without sign, enter 2 millimeters. DP, depth absolute, enter -10 millimeters. MID, the MID parameter is used to define the maximum infeed depth of cut for roughing, enter 6 millimeters. FAL, finishing allowance on the edges, enter 3 millimeters. FALD, finish allowance of the depth, enter 0. FFP1, feed rate for surface machining in millimeters per rev, enter 0.35. FFD, feed rate for depth in feed in millimeters per rev, enter 0.2. Vary, the vary parameter allows the selection of cutting strategies with the select button. Select 11, which is path, mill and roughing. RL, contouring to the right or to the left using the select button. Select 41, which is left. AS1, strategy for starting the contour. Select 3, which is circular helix at start of contour. LP1, length or radius of approach path, enter 5 millimeters. FF3, retract feed rate for intermediate positioning in millimeters per rev, enter 0.6. AS2, strategy for finishing the contour. Select 3, which is circular helix at end of contour. LP2, length or radius of retract path at end of contour, enter 5 millimeters. Once all the parameters have been set, press the OK soft key. Next we are finishing the contour, therefore we use the Cycle72. Enter the same parameters as previously used, apart from MID, enter 10 millimeters. Vary, select 12, which is path, mill and finishing. We will show you how to use the mark, copy and paste function in edits. MID, 10 millimeters. Vary, select 12. Confirm the data with OK.